and we are back with another video. And today's video is just gonna be me showing you guys, or me attempting how to do like this top knot fringe bang hairstyle look. I've been really wanting to try and step out my box with hairstyles lately, and I've been wanting to keep the wigs off my head for a while, so this is yet another hairstyle that I can do that leaves my natural hair out to let it breathe, and something very simple, quick, and easy that I believe that you guys can do on your own too. I wanted to do this video for my girls that, you know, if you can't afford like to go and buy new bundles every week or something like that, this is a hairstyle that you can easily just run to your local hair store and grab you some synthetic hair, or like a little 14-pack of hair, like some Milky Way, some Onyx. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm talking about. No, I like, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Super cheap, super easy. This hairstyle is literally like under $40, maybe even under $20, honestly. So let's go ahead and get started and get into this video. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and take our hair down, and I'm going to begin flat ironing my hair. Now my hair is pretty straight because I just got finished taking down a ponytail hairstyle that I wore for my birthday. So all I'm gonna do is go back through and just flat iron and straighten out my edges a little bit. The flat iron I'll be taking today is the flat iron that I always use, that I've been using. And like I said, it is the KAOIR Infinity, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's the KAOIR Infinity Pro. And these are really old, but I have these on, the heat setting is on 450. And I'm just gonna go ahead and begin to flat iron my edges. So now that we have our hair and our edges re-flat ironed and pressed back out, I'm gonna go ahead and split my hair in half. If you guys don't know, I always split my hair in half to get the nicest and neatest ponytail as possible. That's how I do it. If you know how to put all your hair up in one and do it like that, then go ahead and do that. But I'm going to do it my way. Do it your way. It's all about preference. So when it comes to doing the two ponytail in one, I like to use two scrunchies for each ponytail. That way I feel really secure. When I do the two scrunchie thing, I use a big one and I use a brand new one. I use an old one and a brand new one. It just, to me, I find that it gives me a better and tighter hold. I like it like this. If you try it, please let me know how it works for you. Also, when I do this, you want to, when you split your hair in half, you want to make sure that you get right there at your crown where it itches the most, where your hair grows the most, all that good stuff. You want to make sure that you split it right there, because that's how you know that you split your hair down the middle. Also, well, there's no also, let's just go ahead and get into forming this first ponytail. Now, to get my ponytails to hold and stay in place and last for forever, I'm gonna show you guys what I use. I use the Bronner Brothers Pump It Up hair. Pump It Up is what's gonna keep your hair straight. You don't want it to revert. If you don't want your hair to revert, this is what you need to use. So I'm gonna go ahead. I have my hair pretty much where I want my bun to be. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this all over the base of my ponytail. I'm gonna go ahead and start to brush my hair into the ponytail that I want it to be in. And I'm gonna secure it. I'm gonna go in with my 24-hour edge tamer and the purple top, clearly, and I'm gonna just do some smoothing on my edges. I got the edge control on and I got the edges down. I'm gonna go in with my yellow Got To Be glue. What is this? The spiking glue, the styling water resistant one, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this wherever, all over the place where I'm gonna glue those tracks down so I can protect my hair. And I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands before moving on to the next step, because this stuff right here is super duper sticky, guys. So now that we have our hands all clean, we're gonna do the same thing to the back ponytail. Now while we're letting that got to be glue and that pump it up soak in and get all good and dry, I'm going to, I don't know if you guys can see how long my ponytail is. This is crazy because when I cut my hair last November, it's gonna be November again. When I cut my hair last November, my hair is still not where it was from when I cut it off last November. So I still have a little ways to go. I was a little bit past brawling strap at the back. So, and now I'm probably like right above it, like a little bit above it. So I got like a little, like 2 or 3 inches to get back where I left off. But what we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna move with our bun. And I'm just going to take my real hair and braid it up. And then I'm gonna just wrap it around. And take another bobby pin. I'm gonna take one more. Not bobby pins, what are these called? Rubber bands. I'm gonna take another rubber band and secure it. And so this is what you should have so far. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue and let this finish drying, because I don't have a blow dryer that has a cool setting. So I'm gonna continue to let this finish drying, and then I'm gonna come right back and finish off the hairstyle for you guys. So I let this dry completely. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the hair for my bang. And the hair I'll be using is just an 8-inch from Onyx. And that I'm gonna be using for my bang. And I'm gonna begin measuring off my first strip. I'm gonna look over here. I'm gonna kind of put myself at an angle so you guys can still see me, but I'm going to come over here and look in my mirror, and I'm curving this track on my, I was curving the track on my, and I curved it. And this is not sitting on my edges. I set it right behind my edges. And I curved it so that when I comb it down, it goes to the sides over here. Let me leave this alone. But you know, it goes to my sides. You want to continue doing the same exact step until you get close to your bun. Going ahead, you want to make sure that you keep curving them, and you want to make sure that you do it shorter and shorter each and every time. Okay, so now that I have my bangs all glued on, I glued as many tracks as I could fit right here. I believe it looks a little thin. I went back and added like some more tracks. It should work. I'm gonna just smooth these out the way. I think I'm gonna do a little more. If you're like me, you have a lot of random hair sitting around your room. So I just have like 3 different kinds of hair right here, right now, that we're gonna do a bun with. And like I said, I try not to use bobby pins. So I just take a little piece of the track like this, and I'm going to put it on my head. I'm just going to wrap this around the base of my bun. just start wrapping the hair around the bun. Ooh, okay, so we have all the hair wrapped around the bun. And so we're just gonna start playing with like how I'm gonna wrap it and stuff. Usually, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, guys. I'm twisting. Easy twist bun style. It's nothing too serious, too crucial. I'm gonna go ahead and lather that up and pump it up so it can stay. Where my twist is, I'm gonna put some bobby pins, just some regular open pins in it, just to make sure that this doesn't really like move anywhere. We don't really want it to move anywhere. And I'm just literally just sticking them in there, random places. Bangs, we're gonna take them and then you're gonna twist them, right? Then you're gonna take your razor comb. I'm gonna take the little wider side, not this side, because I want them more like edgy. And then I'm gonna cut like right here where this knot is. And then I'm gonna take it and brush them out, comb them out, comb them out. And then there you have your fringe bangs. I'm gonna clean them up just a tad though. And then I'm about to flatten them. Let me see. Finished look. I'm like actually like loving it. I've never done a look like this before. This is my first time. So I'm like really like happy with the result of it. The bangs are like flawless. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I taught it and showed you guys in the most easiest way possible. I try to make my videos and explain things where it's easy for you guys to be able to do on your own at home. So yeah, I'm really loving the look. Got the edgy bangs. Look at the back of my hair. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Give them a bye-bye. Say be sure to like and comment on the video. Say yeah.